Hey friends, back again with our favorite channel. This time to learn zoo animal. Listen, what animal sound is this? Yes, correct. The answer is C, monkey. Next, what animal sound is this? Yes, correct. The answer is D, giraffe. What animal sound is this? Yes, correct. The answer is D, camel. What animal sound is this? Yes, correct. The answer is A, deer. What animal sound is this? Good. The answer is A, bear. What animal sound is this? Correct. The answer is C, tiger. What animal sound is this? Yes, good. The answer is B, elephant. What animal sound is this? Correct. The answer is C, lion. What animal sound is this? Yes, amazing. This answer is A, panda. That's all for this video. I hope it's useful and ciao!